how to apply for homestead exemption in Texas. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the homestead exemption in Texas. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To qualify for a Texas homestead exemption, you must own and occupy the property as your primary residence. You'll need documents such as a Texas driver's license or state ID that matches the property address. Property ownership documents like the deed may also be necessary. In Texas, each county's appraisal district processes homestead exemption applications. Visit your local appraisal district's website or office for the application form and guidelines. Download Form 5114, the Residential Homestead Exemption Application, from your county's appraisal district website. Fill out all required information accurately. Submit the completed application along with any required documents to your county's appraisal district by mail. If your application is approved, the exemption will be reflected in your property tax assessment. You should receive confirmation by the end of the tax year. Once approved, the homestead exemption typically renews automatically each year. You'll need to reapply. That's all for the video.